Picture this. It is blistering hot outside. The sun is beating down on your patio, a tailgate, or your kid's soccer game, and standard outdoor fans are just pushing heavy, warm air directly into your face. We have all been there, completely melting and wishing for an absolute miracle. Well, today we are looking at the ultimate portable heat slayer, the EGO Power Plus 18-inch portable misting fan. If you want to turn any hot outdoor space into your own personal theme park cool zone, you're going to want to see this. Let's dive right into the jaw-dropping power of this machine because it holds the crown as the world's most powerful cordless misting fan. It features an 18-inch high-velocity blade that pumps out an incredible 5 air speed settings. At its absolute peak in turbo mode, it unleashes a staggering 5,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow. To put that in perspective, that is double the moving air of a standard 20-inch box fan, throwing a cooling breeze at over 20 miles per hour across a massive 540 square foot area. You can effortlessly tilt the fan head up to 225 degrees to aim that immense cooling power exactly where you need it. But air movement is only half the magic. The real game changer is the built-in misting system. You don't need a garden hose hooked up to a spigot to make this work. Instead, it features a built-in intake hose with a filter. You literally just drop the hose end right into a standard bucket of water and turn it on. It feeds 4 high-performance brass misting nozzles and gives you 2 distinct misting modes. You can set it to continuous mode for those intensely dry, scorching days, or switch it to intermittent mode, which pulses the mist to perfectly manage your water supply while keeping you refreshed without completely soaking your patio furniture. Portability is where EGO absolutely nailed the design. They built this with a robust telescopic handle and heavy-duty, durable wheels, meaning you can roll it across grass, gravel, or sand just like a piece of travel luggage. It is engineered with rugged, weather-resistant construction to handle the elements, and it operates at a surprisingly quiet 42 decibels on speed 1. Now, keep in mind, this specific model is the bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included. But if you already own any EGO 56-volt arc lithium tool, like their lawnmower, string trimmer, or leaf blower, those exact same batteries slide right in here, delivering up to a mind-blowing 60 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge. If you are ready to stop hiding indoors all summer long and finally reclaim your backyard, camping trips, and outdoor hangouts with industrial-strength portable cooling, this is the ultimate investment. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you already own any EGO batteries, and I will see you in the next video.